A balloon of diameter 21 meters weighs 100 kilograms. Calculate its payload if it is filled with helium at 1 atm and 27 degrees Celsius. Density of air is 1.2 kg per meter cube, given R is equal to 0.082 liter atm Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Now let's consider this to be our balloon, okay? And this is our payload. So first of all, let's write down all the masses we have. Mass of balloon is 100 kilograms. So its weight will be 100 into 10, that is 1000. Then mass of the helium inside. Now mass is equal to density into volume, and density we know is Pm by RT. So this will be the mass of helium enclosed. So the pressure of helium is 1 atm, the molecular mass of helium is 4, the volume is 4 by 3 pi into R cube divided by R, and the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, which is 300 Kelvin, right? First, let's calculate the volume of the balloon. Okay. This will be 4 by 3 pi d cube by 8, right? We can write it as pi d cube divided by 6 and plug in the value of d as the 21 meters given, pi by 6 into 21 cube, and this volume comes out to be 4851 meter cube. Okay, or we can write it as 4851 into 10 cube liters. So let's plug in this value to find the mass of helium. So 4 divided by 0.082 into 300 into 4851 into 10 cube, right? And this comes out to be 78.878 into 10 to the power 4. So if we talk about payload, that is basically the weight acting downward, and the mass of helium and the balloon are also acting downward. The upward force is that of the buoyant force of air, and the force due to air will be the volume of air displaced into its density, right? Into the gravity. So the volume of air displaced is same as the volume of the balloon. So it will be 4851 into 10 cube, and the density of air is 1.2. Okay. So this comes out to be 5821.2 kilograms, because all this was in grams, right? So the payload plus mass of balloon plus mass of helium is equal to mass of the air, correct? So we can say that payload is equal to 5821.2 minus the mass of balloon and the mass of the gas inside, both of them, that is this and this, added together in kilograms, would add up to form 888.6 32.78 kilograms. Okay, and we are not multiplying g in here because we've been asked about the weight. Okay, so when we subtract these, it comes out to be 4932.42 kilograms, and this becomes our answer. That is option B.